Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. On this new video, I will be showing you guys how to place your spot trades with the Utrade app. So guys, once you're on your back office like this, the very first thing you need to verify is if you have some money on your spot in Binance. So you click on assets. Now when you click on assets, you make sure you have some money available here on your spot. After that is verified, you come now and click on trades. Now, when you click on trades, I want to show you guys something. As you can see, there are more than 35,000 trades going on as we speak. So people have understood that we are at the verge of a bull run, and these strategies are going to be paying off a lot. So as you can see, there are 35,000, more than 35,000 people already trading on the Utrade spot strategy. So guys, at this level, what do? We are going to click on start. We're going to click on start. We're going to click on start. So I'll click on start. Now, when I click on start, you'll notice that most of these things are going to be on default. So we have BTC USDT pair at default. The initial position is at 17 at default. The maximum position is at 732 at default. So we're not going to change much. We're not going to change much of these things. So let's assume I want to place BTC as one of my trades. You know, we can always click here to change and collect other coins. But let's stay with BTC so that we put some funds on BTC. Now, as you can see, initial position is 17. This initial position of 17 will use about $35 to trade BTC on spot. So I'm going to increase it from 17 to like 34. I'm going to try to like double it. You get the point? So that it will be trading for me like $65 to $70. So that is what I'll be allocating for BTC. So after changing, I will be changing just the initial position. Like I said, 17 will be trading for me just about $35. So I'm putting it at 34 so that it trades about $65 to $70. I hope you get that clearly. So I'll click now on launch. So when I click on launch, it has placed my spot trades for BTC. So what do? I can still click again here on start to place more. Let me click on start to place more. And I'll go back at the end to show you guys the trades that are already going on. So I'll click on start. Now I click here to choose another pair. I'll click there to choose another pair. I'll click there. Now I can choose to take Solana. Yes, let me go with Solana. So guys, you can trade all the coins here on Favorite. And if you have a lot of money, you can go ahead on all to add more of the trades on your spot. So I'll go back to Favorite and choose Solana. Now when I choose Solana, I'll also increase the initial position from 17 to 34. Yes, let me just double it. Let me just double it. And then I click on launch. So guys, you only increase the initial position. You don't need to touch any other setting. You don't need to touch any other setting. So now after that, let me just go on the running trades to show you the ones I've already placed. Good, as you can see, these are the trades I've already placed. I've placed Solana, Waves, and BTC. I placed these Waves earlier on. Okay, I placed it earlier on, and that's why you can see that it has already generated some few amounts of. I placed this about 5 minutes ago before making this video. So guys, now I can still choose to continue. I can still choose to continue to add more pairs. So I'll go back to trades. I'll go back here and then I click on start again. I click on start again. I choose another coin. Now I'll choose to to add BNB. Yes, I'll add BNB. I increase the initial position. I increase the initial position to 34. Now, like I said, this 34 will be trading for me about $70. If you have enough money, you can place even $100 on all these pairs. It depends on you. It depends on you. So let me continue with this, and I click on launch. I click on launch. So guys, that is basically how you place your trades on spot. That is basically how you place your trades on spot. So I'll go back to running trades, and as you can see, BNB has been added. BNB has been added. Now, I will take you now to my Binance. I will take you now to my Binance. Before I end this video, I will take you now to my Binance so that you see all the trades I've already placed on my spot. So I'll take you to my Binance. I'll take you to my Binance. Once I'm on my Binance, I click here on wallet. When I click on wallets, this is overview. When I go to spot, you can see these are the trades which I have just placed now. I've placed Binance, as you can see, is at $67. I've placed BTC, $67. I've placed Solana, $67. Shiba was already there ever since, $100. I placed this Shiba manually. So as you can see, that is that. Also, we have Pepe. Pepe was already there. I placed Pepe so many weeks ago when the SEC created the panic. I had to buy this Pepe. I think I bought for $240, and as you can see, I've already made some good profits just by holding this Pepe. So guys, this was just to show you how to place your trades with the Utrade robot. You know, we're at the verge of the bull run, and it's really going to generate profits. You know, now the advantage we have on this spot is that you will never get liquidated. You will never lose your funds, even if the trades go against you, and you might be losing some few dollars, but you will never lose. You will never lose because these are assets which you buy actually. These are assets which you buy actually. You know, like for instance, this my 3.9 Solana, which I have bought, will never go. It's an asset. It will never go away. You get the point? And as the bull run is continuing, I will just keep on making profits. Yes, you never lose money on the spot trades because you buy the assets entirely, and they are on your wallet. So the worst that can happen is that it goes a little bit downward, and once you are patient, you always be on profit, or you always like be positive with your check and balance. So guys, that is how you place your trades on spot with the Utrade app. I believe the video was helpful. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be giving updates on how this thing is rolling up, guys. Do not miss the bull run. Take advantage of Utrade and make the maximum out of it, guys. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye, and God bless you.